Okay, we got a call out to this job where the sink was draining slow. So, what I normally do is just kind of fill the half of the bowl up or whatever, quarter of the bowl, and I let it drain out. And sure enough, this was draining pretty slow. And in most cases, when you have a slow drain, a lot of times you have a partial stoppage somewhere or a stoppage. But in this particular case, we have a auto vent that is up under the sink. Most people don't know about the auto vent. This is an automatic vent that's installed when you don't have the opportunity to install a vent properly out through the roof like it's supposed to be. So it's illegal some places, and some places this is legal. So now I am going up under the cabinet itself, and I am going to screw off and disconnect the auto vent, and so that you can see the big difference between having air and not having air. And this auto vent serves as a purpose. It's spring loaded, and when the water is released, that spring is compressed and allows air to come into the system. And once that air is done coming in and it's done flushing the water out, the spring springs back and seals the vent so that you don't have sewer gases and stuff like that coming in your house. And this is an 1.5-inch auto vent, and they have quite a few different names for it: auto vent, inline vent, and a few other names. Okay, now again we're going to release the water, and right away you notice how quick it starts to discharge and drain really fast. So what we're going to do is I went out and got another bought another auto vent from the Home Depot. This is made by Ote. This is a real nice one. It's spring loaded just like the other one was. And we are going to replace the old one, and things should be back to normal.